Dehydrating jalapeno peppers is one great way to preserve them for later use. Now, sometimes you might have certain uses that you want to preserve them in different ways, such as canning, maybe for nachos or different things like that. You might want to slice them or can them whole for eating, but that also in sauces. But once you have all you need and you want to preserve the rest, you have extra harvest, just lay them out on a tray on the dehydrator. Now, this could also be considered a seed saver video, because when you do jalapenos, and of course you might want to just go ahead and dry the seeds out, in the dehydrator and save them for use later. Or if you want seeds for your next crop. Now, me personally, I like to save the cream of the crop when it comes to seeds. Not that these won't grow jalapenos, but a lot of times we tend to save the best seeds out of our best fruits. So if you want larger jalapenos, then you would save them from a larger jalapeno. You'd probably pick your most vigorous plant and it has the best fruit. But anyway, this is on dehydrating. But like I say, when you're doing jalapenos and you slice them up, you got a lot of seeds that are left. I'm just going to throw these in the dehydrator too, because these aren't some seeds I'm going to save. Now we'll dehydrate this here. Now we'll dehydrate this. I'll put this last tray in. And we're going to set this up. This is an Excalibur dehydrator. I really like it. There's some others that had this model, and it's really handy. Now you have a bunch of different settings here, and for this one, actually, we're going to use 135. Now it says vegetables at 125, but actually with jalapenos we're going to do them at 135. And so all we're going to do is turn this on, and then we're going to end up letting it run here 6 to 8 hours, and we're going to check them. We're going to continue to dehydrate these until they are good and dry, to where when you go to bend them, they break apart. "10 hours later, and we've got them dried out here. Now, what I'll do is I'll just put these in some Ziploc bags, and anytime I need some jalapenos, they'll be ready to go. If you like this video and you want to see more, just hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it for your friends. Happy gardening.